Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the pen and confirming basic settings: date, time, and recording quality. Plug in a fully charged battery or charge to at least 1/2 if needed. This prevents mid-session cutoffs. Once powered, insert a micro SD card and format it in the pen to ensure compatibility. Then select bitrate, higher for interviews, lower for notes, and set file naming to auto if you want organized clips. Make sure the mic is unobstructed. Now you're ready to press the record button and begin. You press record and watch the LED or display for the live indicator, confirming the pen is capturing audio. Place the mic 10 to 30 cm from the speaker for clear human speech. Once done, avoid covering the grill. If your pen supports gain or low-cut filters, enable them to reduce wind and rumble. That improves clarity. Plug headphones to monitor levels in real time and adjust gain if the waveform clips. Once you see steady green or normal meters, proceed with your session confidently. You stop the recording and immediately verify the file appears on the display. This prevents lost sessions. Power down safely only after the pen confirms write completion. Transfer files using USB or Bluetooth and keep the original on the micro SD until you confirm a successful backup. If you don't hear audio, check 3 things: mic obstruction or damage, micro SD capacity and format, and whether gain was set too low or muted. One quick troubleshooting tip: try a known good micro SD.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.